You are watching Playtime with Lehrey and Laurent.
Hi guys, so today we're going to make a Play-Doh, alright?
Alright!
So we only need some ingredients that it's very easy for us to find in our kitchen, okay?
Okay.
So all we need is 1 cup of flour,
Okay.
1/2 cup of salt,
Okay.
1/2 cup of water,
Okay.
and food coloring, alright?
Okay. I'm gonna get because I know my brother Bumbo wants to do it too.
It's okay, you can put it all together in the bowl, okay?
Okay. We have to put everything?
Yes, put everything in the bowl, okay? And then the salt, alright? Good job, guys.
It looks like cooking. Yes.
So what are you gonna do? You have to mix them slowly, okay, boys?
Okay.
So just mix them
It
slowly.
might overflow.
Yes. So just hold the bowl and mix them slowly, okay? Alright. Very good.
We're
Just
teamwork.
mix it well, alright, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna put the water slowly, alright?
Alright.
Okay, just slowly. Okay. That's it for now. Alright. And then mix the bowl, alright?
Okay.
So just mix the bowl slowly.
Okay. And then we're gonna add food coloring.
Okay, so we just keep mixing.
Okay.
Alright. Keep mixing.
Okay. Ooh, it looks like cookies now. That's spoon, I think that's like a cookie spoon or a cooking spoon. I think cooking, which is like cooking. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. I love this. And I will pick blue. I will pick green. Okay. Teamwork. Oh yeah, teamwork. They'll need two of them.
Alright. So we just keep putting water slowly.
Okay. So I know it's gonna be so good. That one, it's being super good now.
Yes.
I wanted to call Playtime with Lehrey and Laurent Play-Doh.
Yes. Playtime with Lehrey and Laurent Play-Doh. Alright. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna use my hand now. Alright?
Alright.
Because it's easier for me to feel it.
Okay.
Until the consistency of the dough will become not so dry and not so wet. Okay?
That looks like pizza dough.
Yes, it is.
It is pizza dough?
It's not a pizza dough, but we make pizza dough from flour too.
What?
Right?
I didn't know that.
Right. So there's still some flour underneath. So we're just gonna put a little bit of water, okay?
I could still smell some.
Alright. And then just keep mixing.
Mixing. Tell me what you need to
Alright.
I want to mix it. I want to put...
There you go. So we're gonna put this one aside. Okay, and then keep on mixing it.
Okay.
go.
Because I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Me too. I'm excited.
Me too.
Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to divide the dough into, let's say 6. Alright?
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So you're gonna roll it like this. Okay? Get some? Okay, so we're gonna roll it. Roll the ball. Roll the dough like a ball, okay? Alright.
Alright.
Very good. So now we're gonna press in the middle. Press in the middle. Clap 1, 2. 5 drops, okay? Okay. So then we're gonna do the yellow, alright? 5 drops again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So slowly we're going to mix it. Alright? So I'm going to start with the yellow first, okay? I'm going to mix it slowly. Alright? So I think we need more color. So I'm gonna put 5 more drops, okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
Alright. 10 drops, okay? So at least 5 to 10 drops, okay guys?
Okay. I love Play-Doh because Play-Doh is my favorite.
We're going to mix it slowly.
Okay.
Alright guys, very good. So this is the yellow. So we're just gonna mix it slowly and
It's like
slowly.
the blue one and the green one and the red one.
Yes. Okay. So alright.
Okay. I think the Play-Doh is getting gooder and gooder. I will check getting good.
Alright. So yellow's done.
Okay, I want to do the blue one.
Okay. Okay. We're going to mix it slowly, okay
It
guys?
looks like it's blue.
Yeah.
This is the drop.
What color is this?
Red.
Red. Okay.
It looks like a Play-Doh demand that's bleeding. Me too. That's funny. The food coloring travels around. So that's why it's like that.
Okay.
Oh,
Very good.
I love it.
So this is the green one, right?
Okay. I'm so excited to play with them.
Me too. Alright. So that's the green. The red. And this is the blue one, alright?
Okay.
Mix it
When we
slowly.
finish it, I want to do it all over again. Me too. So I could do it with me.
So mix it slowly.
I'm so excited. Oh, let me throw it out. Oh, that's so cool.
Alright.
I love.
Alright guys. So that's how easy it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what colors do you guys have there, guys?
We have purple, orange, green, yellow, and blue.
Wow, very good. And you have another one there, red.
Red.
Good job, guys.
We have this.
So that's how easy it is, right?
And to make purple, and we need these as to make orange.
So what did you need to make orange? Yellow and red. Okay? Equal amount of yellow and red
And we
to
need
make it
these.
orange, right?
We need these like this.
Alright, yeah. The blue and the red makes it purple, right?
Yep.
Very good, guys.
So I'm right. My classmates were joking me. I told them that blue and red makes purple, but they think no.
You did it good, guys.
Yay. We're gonna make. Oh yeah. There's 3 against 3, okay? 3 against 3. Why? 3 against 3. So
Hey, good job, guys. That's awesome. Alright guys, so you guys can use this one, right? It's some molds, alright?
Okay.
Okay. So you can use, this is a banana, so you can put yellow here to make a banana, okay? Alright guys, very good. Keep making, alright?
I want to make a chicken.
So this is a strawberry. So what color is the strawberry?
Red.
Red. Good job.
Green.
Alright. Okay. Very good, boys. So what are you guys doing there now?
I'm making this into the plate.
Alright. Good job.
Whoa.
Alright. Good job.
Whoa, this is cool. Stick together. Wow.
Good job, boys. So once you're done, you can put them here, okay?
Okay.
Alright. And then we have a cover for that one too.
Okay.
Good job, boys.
Ooh. Ooh. I want to make a cookie. I think. Oh, this is the food. So I'm gonna make the cookies. Okay. And then, Dad, can you help me?
What is that?
I'm making a cookie.
Oh, this is a cookie?
Yeah.
Alright.
And I'm gonna make a bread.
Very good. So the cookie's done here. Good job. Alright. Keep playing, alright?
Alright.
Looks like your plate is full already. You have banana, you have strawberry, you have cookies,
Set it out.
you have pears, you have everything now.
Wow.
Very good, guys. Alright, so what is this?
It's like
It's a
it's
strawberry?
pooping.
Okay.
It's like it's
There you
pooping.
go. Strawberry here.
Ooh.
Hi, Julian. Alright.
See?
So let your brother play, guys.
Here,
Alright.
I'll give you some.
Share some Play-Doh with your brother.
Here.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's not a food, okay? Don't eat it.
This looks like a shopping cart. Whoa. Get some more because I think I'll need more blues because okay, I need this blue and I think
What are you doing there, Julian?
he's
What is
looking
that?
for something. I don't know what he's looking for. I got the heart.
You got the heart? Very good.
It saves our life.
Yeah, heart, save your life. You have to have a healthy heart, right?
Yummy. Dad?
Very good.
I need to eat I need cookies. Okay. And then whoa, I think cookie mold. I think this is not a cookie mold, or it is. Well, it's going through if I push it down hard. Whoa, see? It's pushing through, guys. See this, guys? Whoa. See, guys? I pushed through. I got it out. Yes! I got it out. Yes! Oh, yes! This is the... Oh, I think I want to take the Play-Doh out. Ooh, the circle. I see like stuff in here, or let's put some dots or cookies. Wow. Okay, so number 1 should be good. Okay.
How about you, Laurent? What are you doing there?
He's making an apple. Okay.
You did the apple? Very good.
Now, whoa, see? Whoa, see this, guys? Whoa.
What is that?
Can you please take the number?
Number 1. Very
I don't know how
good.
to take it out because it came out good. I'm the number. Bye guys, thank you for watching Playtime with Lehrey Laurent. Don't forget to subscribe.